Hi, everybody. Welcome to Story Time. Today we're going to read Hiccups for Elephant. Hiccups for Elephant by James Preller, illustrated by Hans Wilhelm. Hiccups for Elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Everybody's sleeping. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. Oh no. Elephant has the hiccups and he woke up the monkey. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Stand on your head and eat a banana? That's silly. Elephant gave it a try. Ha-boom! It only made him dizzy. He tried, but he fell down. Hiccup! Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Can you count to 10 backwards? That's kind of tough, huh? Elephant gave it a try. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Oh no, he still has the hiccups. Uh-oh. Mouse woke up. What's all that noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boom! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited. There were no more hiccups. He says, boo! I think he's scared. Elephant. Elephant feels scared. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Oh. So all he had to do was scare him. He said, boo! And his hiccups were all gone. Oh, except for Elephant. Achoo! Oh no, now he's sneezing. I wonder if he woke up all the animals again. All right, that's our story. Hiccups for Elephant.